Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rahul. Today we are solving another LeetCode problem, that is tuple with same product, which we will use an efficient HashMap based approach in Java. Here is our problem. So here we have an array of distinct positive integers. Now we have to find the number of tuples, means four variables like this. If you check this, we have to take four variables like that. We have to take such that a into b means a multiplied by b should be equal to c multiplied by d, ensuring all elements are distinct. Instead of checking quadruples, we will optimize the process using frequency mapping. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the problem statement, the efficient approach using HashMap, then how the code view done, then time and space complexity analysis. So let's start our coding part. So here the approach we are using is, first of all we need to use a hash map to store the frequency of each product of two numbers. Then we have to iterate through all pairs, means we have to check and we have to calculate the product. If the product already exists in the map, then it means we found a new valid tuple. Since each tuple can be arranged in eight different ways, we multiply the count by 8. Later we have to update the map with the new product frequency. At last, as normal, we have to return the final count. This is the thing we have to do. So in this one, the algorithm we are using is, like, we are using hash mapping and nested loop. That's it, not other than no other particular algorithms. So let's start our coding part. Here, first of all, we have to create a hash map in order to store product frequencies. Integer, integer. I will name it as map. Then we have to initialize it. New hash map. Then I need another variable in order to keep track of the total number of valid tuples. So I will give count 0. Now we have to loop through all the pairs. So we will use one nested loop in order to iterate through our pairs. So for int I0 I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So as you all know, we can't take the same elements like two like that. So we have to start the next one with I plus 1, j less than nums dot length, then increment j. So we started our nested loop. Now we have to compute the product of two numbers. For that we have to initialize another one, product. So num of I, num of j. Sorry. Yeah. Then we have to check if product exists in the hash map. So if the product exists means previous pairs form the same product. So count plus equal to map dot, it's a method in this one, get the default product, then 0 star 8. So why we are using 8 means, so here each tuple has 8 possible arrangements, so we have to multiply the frequency by 8. Okay, now we need to update the hash map as I already mentioned. So what we are doing is we will use one merge method to update product count in hash map. So so map dot merge product one integer sum. Okay, so here if the product exists, then it adds 1 to its count, otherwise it initializes it to 1. That's what we've done here. Now we came to our final part, that is we have to return the count, return count. That's it. Let's run the code. Yeah, it's accepted. So when it comes to complexity analysis, for time complexity, it is as we iterate over all pairs in a nested loop, making the solution quadratic, it takes big of n square in its worst case. When it comes to space complexity, the hash map stores different product values, right? So it may goes up to big of n square. So both time and space become big of n square complexities. Let's submit it. It changed sometimes. Before I got it 100% same solution. That's why I did this. Okay. So finally we solved this problem using HashMap based approach in Java. Instead of brute force, we optimize storing product frequencies and counting tuples dynamically. So here, this hash map efficiently tracks product occurrences. First of all, okay. Then each tuple can be arranged in 8 ways, multiplying our count. The optimal and efficient solution is this one because its time complexity is big of n square compared to others. If you found this video explanation everything is helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more lead code solutions and coding tips, drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one. Bye.